Here's some fresh garlic from Cosmic Apple. It's called hardneck garlic, which is a little bit different from what you'll buy at the store. And the way you want to prepare this is first stick your knife in through the tough skin. And this just breaks apart a piece. And so then you can use the face of your knife and just smash down the garlic a little bit, which makes it easier to remove the skin. So once you have just your garlic, you're going to want to cut off the butt of the garlic and maybe just smash it a little bit more. And then with this, I'm just going to start by mincing it up into small slices. And then you can go the other direction. And then you're done with some beautiful fresh garlic. Another way to prepare garlic is to turn it into slices. So again, you're just going to want to remove it from its shell and cut off the bottom. And then you can just slice all the way through it into little slices. And when using fresh garlic like this, it's wonderful to add flavor to any vegetables or anything that you're sauteing. So you can just put it in the pan with some butter or oil and cook it until it has that beautiful garlic smell, and it'll just improve any dish that you're making.